Artisan Tropic is in Costco, and for a family business, this is a huge win. We asked you guys to help us spread the word, and we were overwhelmed by the response. We are so honored so many people enjoy our snacks and believe in our company. Here's a quick message from our CEO, Juan Guzman.
Hey guys, it's Juan Guzman here. I wanted to thank you all on behalf of Artisan Tropic for all the love and support around the launch at Costco last week. It's really exciting. We really appreciate everyone sharing and reposting stuff on socials, and wanted you to know that every small victory for us is really important and meaningful, and it could never happen without you and your support. So we appreciate you.